much. I hope everybody's doing fine. I hope everybody's keeping safe. I know I haven't posted for a while, but the gal is here bringing up another Sunday motion for you guys. I realized that the Sunday motion get a lot of thumbs up and they get a lot of views. Now guys, I thank you guys for subscribing. I passed 200 and that is for me a lot, so I thank you very much guys. Please continue to thumbs up, comment down below guys. I don't know why you guys don't like commenting. That's how you can communicate with me. So comment, drop a comment guys, drop a comment. Yes guys, today we're back at it, Sunday motion. I'm gonna take you through what I'm cooking for lunch guys. I already took out 2 chicken out of my fridge, defrosted yesterday, got up this morning and I already cooked it. What I did, I just put it in the pot, season them and boil it guys. So what I'm going to do now is shred it apart, and that is what I'm going to use to do my cooking guys. Okay, so what I'm cooking today is 2 casseroles guys, which is 2 pie as we call it in the Caribbean. One is going to be a potato and chicken, and one is going to be a pasta chicken bake guys. All right, so come on, let's walk away guys. And this is gonna actually last, yeah guys, he's making a mistake, excuse the noise. What I'm cooking today is actually gonna last me for the whole week guys. I'm cooking one thing for the whole week, so you don't know how that goes, excluding the Wednesday guys. So this, what I'm cooking is gonna last for today, Monday, Tuesday, and I'm gonna do something else on Wednesday, which will be on meatless, and then the other pies will go for Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right guys, then we're gonna do it over again Sunday. So enough being said, let's get right, guys, into the video. Here are the 2 whole chicken. So I'm gonna actually transfer them to my bowl, and we're gonna reserve the broth that it has because we're gonna use that to flavor our gravy and so forth. All right, so let's get doing that now. Alright guys, so I peel a 5-pound bag of potato. So all I did, peel them and then I dice them, just dice them into these little cubes size. Alright, so I'm gonna put on these now to boil, and then we're gonna get back to our chicken. Alright guys, so let's get tackling this chicken now. Should be cool enough for me to handle. Chickens are shredded. I have 1 large onion here, and these are all the cheese I have left in the fridge, so I'm gonna grate them, and I'm now, and we have onion grated. So we're gonna put these aside here. In the pot here, guys, we have chicken broth to do our gravy with. So alright, so all that is prepped and ready. We're gonna leave that aside. Now the potato is finished, guys, so I'm gonna take out that now, and then I'm gonna put on the macaroni to cook, because remember, casserole, everything gonna assemble one time and then put in the oven. Alright, so let me get the macaroni going and let me do the cheese sauce. So let's head over to the stove. Guys, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna do the sauce for the pasta, for the chicken bake. Alright, so what you will need, we're gonna use some pasta sauce. I have this sweet pepper I'm gonna add to it, and garlic, onion, and so forth. Alright, so watch what I do, right? Using 2 packs of these. Alright guys, so we're making the cheese sauce now.
the days to get out. I've been looking for a way from this town. And you're too far away to help me now. So I'm counting down the days to get out. 'Cause I need to learn to forget everything that drags me down. I need to forget everything inside me now. Full speed ahead, far from the end. So I'm full speed ahead. Full speed ahead. Full speed ahead. I've been staring at the sun in my eyes. I've been keeping on the run every night. But you're too far away to see the signs. So I'm staring at the sun till I'm dry. 'Cause I need to learn to forget everything that drags me down. I need to forget everything inside me now. Full speed ahead, far from the end. So I'm full speed ahead. Full speed ahead.
As much cheese as you want to these. The cheesier they are, the better they are, guys. That's the honest truth. I don't have any more cheese, so I'm gonna work with what I have, but these taste just as good. All right, so we're gonna put these in the oven, then we're gonna mix up the potato one.
Got the pedal down, full speed now. Yeah, 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 yeah. Full speed now, full speed. Got the pedal down, full speed now. Yeah, 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 yeah. I've been counting down the days to get out. I've been looking for a way from this town. And you're too far away to help me now. So I'm counting down the days to get out. 'Cause I need to learn to forget everything that drags me down. I need to forget everything inside me now. Full speed ahead, far from the end. So I'm full speed ahead. 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 I've been staring at the sun in my eyes. I've been keeping on the run every night. But you're too far away to see the signs. So I'm staring at the sun till I'm dry. 'Cause I need to learn to forget everything that drags me down. I need to forget everything inside me now. Full speed ahead. Far from the end. So I'm full speed ahead.
me some string beans, so I cut up some. I'm gonna steam it now to go along with our lunch for today. Alright guys, so all I did, I add a piece of butter and some seasoning salt. That's it. In some water, I'm gonna just let this cook away. Yeah, and in here I am actually cooking the gravy, guys. So I'm just gonna let this boil down and thicken it with some flour, and that'll be my gravy to go with my food. Alright guys, so the chicken pie is actually out of the oven. The chicken pasta pie, guys, look at how good those look. Oh, I wish you could smell them. Yeah guys, so here are the potato chicken palm bake, guys. So that's one there, and here is another one. Yeah guys, we're gonna dig into these now. Everybody hungry, so I'm gonna share the food now, guys. So as always, thank you for watching. Okay, so everybody is hungry, so they're going with the food. So this is my boyfriend food, so I'm showing you. This is the potato chicken bake. So I serve it with some broccoli and some beans, and this is the macaroni chicken bake, guys. So that's it there. Also, I have some this Stlye too. This is my bowl, and because mine is smaller, it's hiding everything, guys, and it's very compact. So yeah, so that's the lunches, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you're inspired to get up and get in your kitchen, guys. These are all the food there for tomorrow and Tuesday there. The only thing I have to do with this is steam some vegetables to go with those, but they're all dished up and ready to go.